a little ditty I wrote for my mum for her birthday. It's called Mum's Birthday Ode. My brother, he's called Trevor, although he's kinda tough. Sometimes used to bully me, and I'll laugh at all that stuff. My sister's name is Terry, she's small and quite petite. She's a black belt in karate, and has only size 2 feet. My younger brother Robbie is pure as the driven snow. If he don't go to heaven, nobody else will go. My dad is really something, he has a great rapport. I really do look up to him, he's a one-off, that's for sure. And I thought I'd throw this verse in, because it mentions me. My name's Jeff and I'm well cool, I'm sure you'll all agree. And last not least my mum, who I love more than words can say. She always has been there for me, even though I'm far away. And mum, it is your birthday, so this song is just for you. Words can never say enough of how much I love you, of how much I love you.